We have here the three most popular models from Happy Japan embroidery machines. We have here the 12 needle machine, 7 needle machine, and the 15 needle machine. They all have the same panel, same features. The hoops are interchangeable, but we wanted to show you the insides of the machine. So we took the covers off of the 15 needle machine so you guys can see the motor, the shaft, the belt. So we have a 12 needle here. This is a 12 needle HCS2 1201. We also took the covers. It uses the same motor, the same belt, and the same very strong shaft. This is a very strong machine. So the warranty on the motors, the part numbers of those is the same as the 15 needle machine. We also have the 7 needle machine option for people that want a less or more economical machine, and if they don't need any more needles. Sew and fill area on the machines are 12 by 12, 12 by 12 also on the 7, and this one has a 47 by 15-inch sew and fill. So if you have any questions, give us a call or visit happyjapanusa.com.